Yesterday I went out for lunch. I parked my bike. I saw a bunch of college guys sitting at the cafe right where I parked my bike. One guy smiled at me and I smiled back. The next guy too saw my bike and smiled at me. Then the next guy continued the same. It was like a ripple effect. Each guy in that gang started smiling at me. It usually never doesn't happen in cities. I mean, how often do you see a stranger smile and like a known friend? And that too, college guys who are a part of a gang. It made me wonder what was the reason. So I just went to the washroom, and that's when I realized what made them smile. I returned and I uttered a name. Now, those guys stood and started shaking their hands with me. Guess what made that connection? Guess what got me those smiles? Guess what got me the attention, respect, and even a celebrity kind of feel? Rajinikanth, the superstar of Tamil cinema, loved and celebrated as Thalaiva. I had his image on my bike, so those guys saw it and almost instantly became my friends. I wanted to get them some good ginger tea and bites for the warmth they extended to me. But they, of course, refused it as they said they just had the food and they were leaving. We chatted for a few minutes and they were truly intrigued at what I do for a living. A guy wanted to connect with me on social media and he said they all will even follow my YouTube channel, all because of the iconic image, a symbol on my bike. You see, that's the power of using symbols, pop references, analogies, and metaphors in your copy. And that's why storytelling strikes such a deep emotional connection, because it offers you a playing field to use those literary tools and attract a like minded tribe. I can't believe how many friends I made because of our liking for ginger tea. And I got an educationalist from Malaysia as my client because of an ad I posted on social media back in 2017, I guess. We still are friends, we still do business. When he came to India, I met him. He still happens to be my high paying client, one of my high paying clients. That's just an example of what stories can do to your business. Now, if you want to write stories that genuinely build a like minded tribe while selling your offer, then you should consider joining my TITT story writing workshop, wickedly wacky named TITT. The name might be crazy, but the method works like crazy. I come up with ideas instantly and I never run out of ideas, all because of the TIT method. So, if you want to understand how this method helps me attract good paying clients, just comment below TITT. I will flick over a letter about how this method helped me sell my offers and how you can do it too. So, this is recommended for heart centered, conscious copywriters, writers, influencers, entrepreneurs, coaches, anybody who hates hard sell but love building a truly genuine relationship with your audience. So, I look forward to hearing from you and I welcome you to join my story writing workshop. Cheers.